Hey, what up, y'all? Thank you very much for watching this video. And let's practice shadowing with the short sentence, bro. But before I start, let me tell you something real quick, bro. Please like and subscribe and write some comment, bro. Those will really help me. Hey, this today's sentence, and let me read it real quick. Just like how Japanese people actually say in real life. もうすぐスウェーデンではミッドサマーっていうイベントが開催されるんだけどさ、みんなの住んでる地域にも何か特別なイベントある？ Hey, bro, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, bro. That was a motherfucking fast, bro. I know that, but I got you, bro. So let's break down this Japanese sentence piece by piece. So first off, we'll see the vocabularies and the phrases and stuff, and then I will show the full translation of it. So the first word is もうすぐ. This simply means soon. You know what I'm saying? And this is very, very useful. A lot of Japanese people love to use this. So remember this. So the next one, I say スウェーデンでは. And Sweden. Can y'all guess what it is? This is one of the country's name. This means Sweden. Maybe y'all already knew this, but this means Sweden. You know what I'm saying? We say a lot of countries' name with a Japanglish, bro. America, Sweden, Spain, like this. You know what I'm saying? So Sweden. And I say Sweden dewa. This dewa means basically like it's basically emphasizing like as for Sweden. You know what I'm saying? Like specifically about Sweden. As for Sweden, Sweden では. So if you're talking about America, you can just say like アメリカでは like I don't know about your country, I don't know about other countries, but as for America, you understand? This very nice one. The next up, I said ミッドサマーっていうイベント. You know what I'm saying? And this っていう is very, very useful. I want y'all to remember this. It's one of the most useful thing in this sentence. And the reason why is that this sorry. First off, Midsummer. Can y'all guess what it is? It's a Swedish event. There's a movie about it. It's Midsummer. Midsummer, Japanglish again. And event is an event. So this Midsummer っていうイベント means an event called Midsummer. So this っていう means something called something. You know what I'm saying? So for example, when you want to say something like uh, an anime called Attack on Titan, 進撃の巨人っていうアニメ. You see, this is very, very useful. And a movie called Titanic. タイタニックっていう映画. So you better remember this. This one is one of the most frequently used ones. And the next one, I said 開催される. This is a passive form of a verb 開催する. This means to hold an event. And then this 開催される it's a passive form. So this means like will be held or like it's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? So this one is also very useful. And the next phrase, I say みんなの住んでる地域. So let's break it down. みんな means everybody. みんな. And then 住んでる is a contracted form of 住んでいる which means be living like right now, right now. You know what I'm saying? And then this is a like continuous form of a verb 住む which means to live. So 住んでる. And then 地域 地域 basically means area or region, you know. And then so when we put it together, this means so as a みんなの住んでる地域. This means the area where you all live, the area where everybody live. I mean, in this sentence, so everybody means y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm asking y'all a question. And lastly, I say 何か特別なイベントはある? So let's break it down. 何か means something. 特別な means special. あの、イベント、again, an event. ある means like when we say something ある means is there something? You know what I'm saying? So this when we put it together, this means is there any special event in your area? So now we've been through all the phrases, vocabularies that I used for this sentence. So I'll give you a full translation of this. It's gonna sound like this. Soon in Sweden, there's going to be an event called Midsummer. Do you have any special events in your area too? So now y'all understand the meaning of this sentence. Let's practice shadowing, bro. So first, let's do a slow shadowing. I'll say each words or phrases like individually, slowly. So I want y'all to repeat right after me. もうすぐスウェーデンではミッドサマーっていうイベントが開催されるんだけどさ、みんなの住んでる地域にも何か特別なイベントはある？ Hey, you know what? Your voice gorgeous. Your voice beautiful. Let's keep going, bro. So now I read it again as a normal speed, how Japanese people actually say this. So let's see if you can catch up with my speed. Let's go. もうすぐスウェーデンではミッドサマーっていうイベントが開催されるんだけどさ、みんなの住んでる地域にも何か特別なイベントある？Those fast. Those fast as hell. And I ain't gonna lie though, if y'all keep practicing this shit, y'all definitely be able to say like I do. You know what I'm saying? Believe it. So that's it for today's video, and I really, really appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you very much. And again, please don't forget to subscribe and like and please, write some comment, bro. See you guys in the next video.